Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is UTSAV MEHTA and in today's video I'll be telling you guys about top 25 phrases in German language mostly used in Germany. So I will try to keep this video short and more simple so that you guys can understand it in a better way. Let's begin with our video. So the first phrase is hello. Hello is kind of a casual way of greeting someone. If you're meeting your friends, family or colleagues, then you should always start the conversation by saying hello. Hello friends, hello family, hello colleagues. So each and every time you meet someone, you should say hello. The next one is choose, that is goodbye. If you want to say goodbye to someone, then you should always say choose. And if the person is really very close to you, then they also say choosy, choosy. And sometimes they use ciao. But ciao is kind of Italian way of saying goodbye. So the next one is guten morgen. Guten morgen is good morning. If you're getting up early and if you see someone, then you say guten morgen, that is good morning. And if you're going to the office and if you see someone, then you always say guten morgen. So the next one is guten tag. It starts from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. So basically in this time period, you should always say guten tag. Guten tag is good day. And after that, after 4 p.m., it's Guten Abend, that is good evening. So Guten Abend is good evening. After 8 p.m., it's Gute Nacht, that is good night. Gute Nacht, that is good night. If you're going to bed or if you're going for a sleep, then you should always say Gute Nacht, that is good night. The next phrase is ja. Ja is yes. Hast du deine Hausaufgabe schon gemacht? Have you done your homework? Yes. Ja, ich habe schon mein Hausaufgabe gemacht. Yes, I have done my homework. Nein is no. Nein is no. Hast du frei am Samstag? Do you have a free time on Saturday? Nein, ich habe kein frei. Ich bin schon beschäftigt. No, I am not free. I am really very busy. The next phrase is Auf Wiedersehen. See you later. So if you know that people you are going to meet maybe later in future, then you should always say Auf Wiedersehen. So that is see you later. The next one is Auf Wiedersehen bis morgen. So you know that you will be meeting your friends or your colleagues maybe again tomorrow. Then you should say Auf Wiedersehen bis morgen. See you later again tomorrow. The next one is Was ist dein Name? Or Wie heißt du? Or wie heißen Sie? So what is your name? It is the same thing, wie heißt du, but in informal way, and wie heißen Sie is more in a formal way. So mein Name ist UTSAV MEHTA or ich heiße UTSAV MEHTA. So this can be in my case, it can be different in your case. Dankeschön. Dankeschön is thank you. Dankeschön is thank you. If you want to thank somebody, then you should always say Dankeschön in German language. The next one is Bitteschön. So when someone says you Dankeschön, then you should say Bitteschön. That is welcome. So someone says like in English, when someone says thank you, then you say welcome. That is how. Dankeschön, Bitteschön. Dankeschön, Bitteschön. Next one is kein Problem, that is no problem. So if you have no problem for anything, like will you come at my place today? No problem, I can come. Kein Problem, ich kann kommen. So the next one is bitte. Bitte is please. Bitte mein Kanal abonnieren. Please subscribe to my channel. Ask someone for help, then you can always use this word. Können Sie bitte mir helfen? Können Sie bitte mir helfen? Phrase is Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung is excuse me. If you want to seek someone's attention, then always say Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung is also used as sorry, or if you want to hear the question again, then again you can say Entschuldigung. So Entschuldigung can be used in different contexts, but Entschuldigung basically means excuse me. Sorry. The next word is sorry. Sorry is Es tut mir leid. I am really very sorry. Es tut mir leid. The next one is willkommen, which is welcomed. If you are welcoming some guest at your home, then you always welcome them, and then you should always say willkommen, willkommen zu Hause. The next phrase is wie geht's dir? How are you? So if you're meeting your friends, then you should always say wie geht's dir? How are you? The next one is wie viel es kostet. If you are going to buy something in a shop, or if you want to buy something in a shop, then you should always say wie viel es kostet. How much is the cost? So wie viel es kostet. How much does it cost? The next one is was ist das? What is that? Pointing at some things, you can always say was ist das? Was ist das? Or it can be used in different context as well, but pointing at something, if you want to know what is that thing about, then was ist das? The next one is wo ist die Toilette oder WC? Where is the toilet? So if you're going to a restaurant, and if you want to know the toilet, then you should always say wo ist die Toilette? Where is the toilet? The next one is ich habe nicht verstanden. I haven't understood. So if you want to say that you haven't understood anything, then you should always say ich habe nicht verstanden. The next one is Mahlzeit. So Mahlzeit is a phrase that is being always said during lunchtime. So if you want to say Mahlzeit, that means everyone understands that it is a lunchtime. So Mahlzeit, it's basically lunchtime. The last one is guten Appetit. Guten Appetit is have a good meal. Before having your lunch or dinner, then you always say guten Appetit. That is have a good meal. I really want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys have understood these phrases. So I recommend you guys to watch this video again and again for a week, so that you can learn this easily, and you can start using it with your friends, family, and also share this video so that they can also learn top 25 phrases, and it will help you guys. Thank you for watching. Wait till the next video.